Navigating your video sources in Crestron Home is simple and seamless. From the Rooms page, select the room you're in, like the living room, and tap the Video tile. Here, you'll see what's currently playing in the room. To view all available sources, tap the arrow to open the source selection screen. Select any available source to switch. It's that easy. This is your remote page. It includes all the familiar buttons you'd find on your original remote: Last, Info, Guide, DVR, Live, Back, Menu, and more. You also have directional arrows, channel, and page up and down, and all the transport controls like fast forward, pause, and rewind. Adjust the volume with this slider, which is available on every screen within your video service. Need to enter a channel directly? Tap Keypad. Access your favorites by tapping the heart. Edit your favorites by adding or deleting channels with these options. Switch video formats. Set up a sleep timer, or power your TV on and off right from here. When you're done watching, just tap the power button. Effortless control of your video sources, all in one place. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.